You hear that? Hello. Yo. Yo. Miss Marty. Jabado. I missed you, Jabado. Jabado. I am just chilling today. Thank you. Miss Marty. Thank you so much. Hi, beautiful. Good night. Hey. I do get hiccups. I don't know if I'll get them tonight. I haven't gotten them in a while. Hi, Miss Marty. I love you. I miss you. I don't feel like answering calls yet. Okay. How are you? I'm pretty chill. Not a whole lot of anything going on over here. Oh, I love you. I'm sorry, Marty. It breaks my heart. Are you drinking tonight? Cheers. Cheers. Thank you, Sneeze fan. What's up, Nick D's? Wendy's? When you were a little baby. Jabado. Oh, you're just in time. I just did, friend. Joe Pie? Oh, you said Jabado. No, it's Joe Pie. That was so hot and gross. Your burps are amazing. Oh my god, big burp. Miss Marty loves it, so. Exactly. Why are you looking at baby pictures of yourself? Thank you. Hee-hoo. Frankie, what are you doing? Sometimes I do that too. I have some. Somewhere. Blow, burp. It's a mess down here. Oh, it's Juliana. Hi, Juliana. How are you? Do you plan on sneezing? If I Get sneezes, yeah. Biceps and burp.
Juliana.
Weak. Would you want to burp Jose? Sure, mate. Do you ever induce sneezing? I was just talking about this. Like, I don't know how people do that. How does Pepper doesn't do it for me, and I don't know what else am I supposed to do? Just go roll around in some dust. I'll go I'll go live with her for a little bit if she goes live. Or should I just invite her in the box? Juliana wants to come in the box. Guest? Bobby pin. Oh, a Q-tip. I tried a Q-tip. A bobby pin. Pointy tissue. No, none of that works for me. And I'm good. Hee-hoo. Jacob! Thanks for coming in. What's up? Let's go.
Jose.
I tried Jose.
Jose.
Oh, what did Juliana say? No, feel better. I did it at the same time as you, Jacob. Thank you. Juliana, feel better soon. Please. I don't like it that you're sick. That makes me sad.
Jacob.
Thank you, Jacob. How is your Saturday? She's sick. Don't do that to a girl that's sick. Toby! Hey! Thank you, Toby! Okay, I know I'm missing someone in here. I did Jose. Rafa. It's crazy how many people get likes. Frankie G's! Hee-hoo! For farting on TikTok. Oh, yeah, no. You know what? Farts are funny. That's why. I'm doing well, about to leave. Oh, thank you, Jacob. Enjoy your dinner. I love that your eyes did that when you said my name. Of course, Toby, because it's you. Hi. Do you remember me? Oh, God. No. I mean, I can't even make out what your profile picture is. And your name, Andrew. Nothing in your bio. Don't recognize you at all. Sorry. Are you able to burp the alphabet? Yeah, they are funny. I know, right? Farts are hilarious. You can squeeze your belly while you burp. Okay, no. Marty! I know. I'm so happy Shoe Crew's here. Cheers to Juliana to getting better. Chug a beer. Shoe Crew. How are you though, Toby? Cheers. I have a cameo to make for Judge Jody. I think her mom, or I don't know if it's her mom or somebody else, is turning 50. Gotta run to the liquor store. Alright. Don't fall. Don't trip and fall on the way there. Pizza here is got. Ah, you so lucky, Frankie D's. Enjoy that shit. Yeah, Toby, what are you getting? A big burp, sure. It made my back of my throat tickle. Juliana. Feel better, Juliana. Everybody, go follow Juliana and go tell her to feel better. Because what the fuck? We can't have a burp queen sick. Just kidding. We love, love. I know, it's Juliana. It's Juliana. She's sick right now. Go tell her to feel better. I can't spell. I followed her. Yay! Burp super massive. JD, thank you. Blow a big burp. Marty gets me. Yeah, well, what are you getting, though? Did I miss it? Oh, Smirnoff. The old Smirnoff. Classic. Can you burp Griffin? I could, if it was like, just give me a minute. You know what I just did? I did a Sprite challenge. You like Henny? Ugh. Big burp record. You are able to burp very, very hard. Ultimate. Yeah. Ultimate. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm just a machine. I can just whip these out anytime, any place. It don't matter. You did a Sprite challenge? I did. It's going to be on my YouTube later. What you know about that? Everybody, please go.
Hello.
If you know. Hey, Johnny. Hey, everybody. Oh, I'm your hero? Freaking way. Peanut butter whiskey. Okay, guys, you're distracting me. Amir. Is your name Amir?
Yes.
Hi.
Yes, Amir.
Amir. How are you?
Good. You?
I'm really good.
Okay. ਜਾਓ ਰਾਜ਼ੀ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਨਾਂ ਆ ਭਾਈ ਹਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਪਰਾਂ ਇਲਤਮਾਨ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਨਾਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਇਰਫਾਨ ਜੀਜ਼
Oh, yeah. Anthony.
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਤੇਰਾ?
Probably, like, a lot.
ਇੱਧਰ ਵੀ ਜੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਭਾਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਰੋਲਾ ਹੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਜੀ ਵੈਲਕਮ
I love your mustache. The big one. Marty, do you like his mustache? It did? I wasn't paying attention.
Thank you, Ahmed. Welcome.
You don't at me, Trey. Don't do that.
Thank you जी, thank you. ढिल्लो साहब दे फ्रेंड ते ये भी आ रहे ने रज़वान साहब डबल टैप कर दियो जी डबल टैप कर दियो थैंक यू जी थैंक यू
Where are you from, Amir?
I am from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yes, you?
United States.
No?
United States? America, Virginia.
Okay,
Yeah.
America. Good.
Yeah.
Muhammad Imran, welcome.
Hey, you never know. I'm learning. You never know who you're gonna meet on here. Lewis. Wait, is that? Thought it was a wrestler.
Josh.
There you go, Josh. Did a better one.
Isha.
There you go. I thought it was a picture of a wrestler though.
Koda Dakar Marian.
That ain't you. You're welcome, Josh.
Why?
Yeah, I could do a really long burp.
Hello.
Huh?
Why?
Huh? Why? What's wrong? Hello? Yay, we won. What the fuck? That's what I was gonna say, Miss Marty. I was just waiting for him to like say something, and then I was gonna be like, well, why not? I don't really let fans join, bro. I let people call me. He was shocked that he lost. Yeah, I know. You'll drink a beer? Okay, you drink a beer over there, and I'll drink one over here. You just did, bro. You just did. Sure. Go ahead. Why would I let fans join? Why? Can you try and do a really long burp? Yeah. You do you. Thank you. I will. Gassy burp. Peace out. Bye. Peace, daddy. Dad day. Dad day. Dad day. I'm so sorry. Peace out. I don't have any beer. It's like Forrest Gump saying Jenday. Yeah, that's well. Why did you spell it that way though? That's how you spelled it. That way. So. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. Hello.
Hello.
What's
How
up?
are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
America. Where are you from?
Where? I am from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Come on, guys. Double tap, guys.
Yeah, double
What's your
tap.
name?
What's my name?
Yes.
Oh, my name's Kim.
Kim?
Yes. What's your name?
You're so beautiful name.
Oh, thank you.
Come on, guys. Double tap, guys. Tap the screen. You're so
What's
beautiful
your
girl.
name?
Okay.
Do you have a beautiful name?
Muhammad Khan.
Oh, Muhammad? Muhammad?
Yeah.
What'd you say? Oh, that's a very popular name. Everybody loves that name.
Come on, guys. Double tap, guys. Tap the screen, guys. Come on.
Amazing.
Come on, follow me. Follow me back. Okay.
I don't see it. You said that last time, Louis.
Come on, guys, double tap, guys, tap the screen.
Please, someone double tap his screen. Screen. Miss Marnie, go over there and help him out, please. Thank you. Not me. I like Amir. I liked Amir too. I missed him already.
Come on, guys, double tap, guys, tap the screen.
Oh, I will. So what are you guys doing tonight? I don't
Guys,
care
double
what you're doing.
tap.
No, I was joking. Do I have to? I just like when you watch these battles and like people are like, never mind. Listen. Lattes. Nice. I miss his stash. Yes, I do too.
Come on, guys, double tap, guys, tap the screen.
Ran out of course. Oh, that's me. My brain. My that's me. I don't talk good. No, that's not true. There's just a lot of things going on, like with these things, and I always forget like what I was talking about. There's just so much going on the screen right now.
Come on, guys, last 1 minute.
I'm so bored. 2 minutes? Oh my god. No, we shouldn't be together. What the fuck? I don't know.
Guys, last 1 minute, guys, come on.
Like a burp contest between you, me.
Huh?
What?
America with the
Bro, you need to calm down. You're in timeout for the night. That was too much. Ugh. Time out.
Guys, the last tournament, guys, come on.
Dad day. Dad day. Dad day. Like a day for dads. Father's Day. That's what it's called. I didn't block him. I muted him. He can still see me.
Oh, well, laddie.
He just can't comment. Do it out of hate, but say something stupid and find out. You know what I'm saying, Miss Marnie? You like how I move? I like the way you move. Oh, 15 seconds thing.
Yeah,
Hi. Bye, JS for life. J. Jose. Bye, Jose. Bye, Jose. Really important. Be safe out there, bro. Josh. Don't mute me, please. I'm not muting you. But Marty might. She's on one. Well, that was boring. This is why I can't battle. Because I'm going to mute everyone. Should I do sub-only chat and make people subscribe? To send me a request? Thanks, Lou. No, it's okay. You can like them in a weird way. You don't have to. Just admit it. You don't have to hide it. It's fine. I can't wait to be able to go live. That's what's up. When are you... What are you? 400. You're almost halfway there. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Excuse me.
What?
What?
Where are you from?
Virginia.
Where are you from?
Virginia.
What?
United States. America.
Welcome, Jalgaon.
Oh, we got our Ukrainian sisters back. Ukraine. Make me a pizza. Make me a pizza.
Okay.
Yes. Cool. We're gonna watch people make pizza. Where's Alec?
Drinking time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mucho cervezas. Mucho. It's just water. It's just water.
Good.
Oh, I already did, Elijah. You missed it. Ukraine sisters. Okay, good luck, sister. Sister from another mister. You guys will put that video on YouTube, actually. What? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. There's like the fan going and I can't hear him. Okay, I will. I think they want me to burp again anyway. Okay. Where are you from?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Are you making pizzas? What are you making?
I am working. Okay. Wait.
What are you doing? What are you making?
Working. Food.
Food. Yummy.
Okay. Wait.
What is that, Lewis? Is that like tile on the back? Hey, Jean. You're welcome, Dimitri. I am good on the belly burps. There you go, Lewis.
Welcome. Hi.
No, this is White Claw.
Thank you. No, I am not drinking.
Anthony, you're fine. It's all good. It's all good. You should consider doing cameos of burps. Elijah, I do. You should go look me up. One and only. On Cameo.
No, 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 no.
Hello? Oh, sorry.
No, no, no.
What's up?
Dance. Music play.
So, what's your name?
My name is Ahmad.
Haman?
Ahmad. H-A-M-M-A-D.
Hamad. Sorry. Awesome.
Max, follow me.
Oh, sure.
Follow
Yes,
me.
Elijah. There you go.
Just friendship.
Oh, I should, Gene.
Just
You're right.
friendship.
Ahmad.
I got you good, homie. I got you good, Hamad.
Good. Try again.
Hey, Romy. All right, Hamad. That was amazing, Hamad. He's doing a victory lap. I meant, that didn't make sense. I'm doing a victory lap on his dead body. Okay, I'm good now. Can you try and do a really, really long? Oh, yeah. I should, instead of like being so like forceful with it, I should just try to stretch it out.